So right now I'm scalping this top. I really don't want to do this, you know. It looks so much better when it's cut, of course, besides that side, how terrible it looks. But here's the truth of the matter. This thing is all up and down, ruts, bumps, lumps, you name it. So I really do have to cut this thing up. I hate to do it because now we're at the end of March. Yeah, you see the grass is up. It's looking okay, decent, but there is spots I don't like. Of course, right now it looks pretty decent, but when you really look close, besides all that extra, but yeah, there's spots, especially on this side. This really needs to kind of be better sloped and everything else. So this is the first part, just gonna cut down. We're scalping on one. And then after this, gonna go rent the machine from Home Depot and see what it is. We got the Honda FC600, just rented from Home Depot. It's pretty hot. How do you, gonna try it? We went with the bigger one. Let me tell you something. Very heavy getting up these stairs. Oh my God, still out of breath. But let's see what she could do. You want that down more? All right, we just got to figure out the machine. An hour into it, I did mostly all the section. Now he took over, and you know, it's a little difficult. I'm not gonna lie. It's all about that bar in the back. You know, we had no idea how to operate this thing, but kind of have to let this grass die out a little bit and hopefully dry out. That'll make it a lot easier. We're gonna do a lot more passes, but just trying to get rid of the initial grass here. But like I said, not even an hour into this spot, so there you go.